All right, it's Jay today,
And Gwen tomorrow.
and welcome to our travel channel. We're currently here at Estes Park, Colorado, 7,500 feet above sea level.
And directly above the Stanley Hotel, which, for those of you familiar with Stephen King's The Shining, was part of the inspiration behind that.
And of course, you got the beautiful Rocky Mountains. So with that, we will let you enjoy the scenery, and we'll catch you on the next adventures here, there.
And everywhere.
Talk to you on the next one.
Bye.